Welcome everybody. So we have four stocks as usual. We're gonna hunt them down for the profit taking and the momentum change that we have. Insiders actually buying right now and the price actually jumping before the big move ahead. That's why we doing here. We don't buy the price. We're already up like 100%, but we buy before the big explosion. So let's see those four stocks. So first off, let's talk about SKLZ. So for this one, jump just 10% today. And as you can see, it's been downtrending a lot. The general trend is downtrend. However, right now we have a bit of buying pressure happening because we went until the $7 and we see a big volume change. This is what we want to try to catch, the bounce in the middle of the downtrending market. So here, if we even calculate after we bounce around the 12, we went until 100%. You see, so usually when we have down trending market, the price reverse a bit, but not in general trend or a bigger picture. The general trend will be downtrending. However, we have a reversal. It happened just in 1 month. We can actually capitalize on this. So right now the price is starting moving to change the downtrend a bit, and we have one signal to confirm and to have a bit of confirmation that the price will go even higher if we just like closing candle above this level around the $10. Right now the 4-hour candle actually bypassing our resistance around the $10.11 and went until the $10.16. So if we go on a 1-hour chart, you see 1-hour candle actually try to confirm and closing above. So by today, if we close today here, this will be a good indication that the price will go first to test the $11.50 or the 60, then the $12.77. This is the big trigger for the price or my target to take all my profit here. Okay, so if we even calculate, this move will be around the 25%, and again this should be our support. So we confirm that we never actually go to do other lower lows, because again, as I said, the general trend is downtrending. However, we have to confirm this in order to see the price jump until the 12.77. The next one is Tesla, guys. Right now is testing the 900 to all-time high that we did in the beginning of this year, guys. Look, we doing double top right now. Be careful, guys. Here we did the price we test around the first of this year, and right now we testing it again. However, this is the scenario that will happen if we have double top, and this is psychological level because the price will have a real explosion after this price. The 900 will go to 1000. Right now we have a bit of rejection area. If we go to 4-hour candle, you see the price have big volume. And right now, if we got rejected by this month or this week, you see how conjunction the price is near our resistance. So if we got rejected, guys, I will be buying around this technical area near our ascending line. Look how beautiful it is. If this happened, the price will actually consolidate and have a bit of buying pressure here around the 822. This is will be, or the 833. So this is not a sell-off, but just the market react to have a bit of buying pressure or fueling up before expanding from this resistance, because the resistance, there is a lot of put option, guys, a lot of short sellers actually shorting because the the psychological level, as I said, that all-time high for Tesla again. So we can see right now the potential. If we expand from the 900, this is be our support, guys. If we just expand with this, we have a big move ahead for Tesla, and we might see the 1000 for Tesla this year if we just pass this level. And as I said, if we got rejected, just be ready to buy around this ascending line, and we should hold to never lose the momentum. And as you can see, for Tesla, it's been have good earnings since 23rd of April, and we have three earning perfect. That's why the price has been went up since like the 11th of May, we have upside trend, and we reverse from downtrend that we've been doing since February. You see, this is a really good reaction for in the fundamental way and the even technical way. And the next one we have SOS. As everybody, SOS went up pretty good the last few days because it's Bitcoin went all-time high, and everybody knows SOS have the same behavior as Bitcoin because they have the infrastructure and everything regarding Bitcoin, because we see the price went up as the Bitcoin went up. However, right now, as we said, we have to have a test, which is the $3 will be the big like testing area, will be the squeeze area. Actually, the $3.06. If you want to ask me why Trading Jesus the price will have a squeeze, this will be a great question, because as we said, this triangle is really important for us, and if we exploded from it, because the moment that you see how we tested once, then here even we don't test it, we don't have even pressure to go test the resistance and ascending line from this triangle. The moment that we break, we went down, you see. So the general trend was downtrending after we have forming this triangle. Then right now we testing the triangle from below. The moment that we test, guys, this is crazy. The moment that we test, boom, we got rejected for today even. And if we go for our chart, yes, you see, and if we go on 1 hour chart, you see the 1 hour chart just tested our ascending line of the triangle from below and got rejected. So again, that's why I told you guys, don't see the price went up like 10%, 20% in the last few days. This is not it, because the general trend is still downtrending, and here will be the reversal above the $3 or above this triangle and go above to close here above this triangle to confirm that we change the trend and even go around the $4 and the $5 target for SOS. Okay, so right now after this rejection, we need to hold kind of right now it's $2.64. Will be like the price should hold around this technical area, because it's really volatile, guys. When the stock is really volatile, it's really hard to buy point support exactly. However, there's a bit of support forming around this technical area, which is the $2.45. So this will be a good indication of strength. If we just consolidate here, then we have the price to fuel up and go above the $3. Okay, we don't want to see a test again around the $2.25, but however, right now $2.45 to confirm that we doing higher lows and the price bumping up. And the last one, we're gonna talk about prog, guys. As we said, prog went until almost the $3.76, and as I said, guys, we need to hold this level of support, the $2.67, to confirm that we're gonna see explosion from the $3.76. However, in smaller picture, we see a volume drop. Right now is dropping, but it's still holding, guys. It's not going to negative. And this good indication that is still have the price is still actually have the momentum to go up. And again, this is a bit of sign of weakness because we broke from this level. And if we go really close up, guys, look what's happened. First, we have this big candle with 2 wicks. The moment that happened, you see how much of selling pressure happened with this candle, because we broke our support. Before, we have normal candles, you see. As I said, the $2.67 was important. The moment we break, we went down really crazy from the $2.68 until the $2.33. You see, big move down. That's why I told you guys to just put like notification or stop loss below to just save you from this big drop, and you just buy around the dip or around this level, the $2.21. We might test it pretty soon if we just get rejected here again, because there's a test, guys, for the $2.67 before we're gonna go even lower around the $2.21. And again, this is will be a good buying pressure area, because here we're gonna see a buying pressure and we're gonna see a fueling up, because this is area should be holding if we don't want to see a sell off. Okay, because this is general trend, we need to hold above this time, not the $2.06 but the $2.20, in order to have the price overcome the $2.67. And again guys, if you have any question, comment in section below, and follow us in Patreon in comment section as well. If you want pre-market update, analysis for your stock, and a lot of things, you can look by yourself for the tire that you could choose. And again guys, always be ready to hunt, and be ready to stay tuned for our live streaming just 45 minutes from this video, and around 8 p.m. Paris time, and join us guys. We have a lot of questions will be answered, Q&A, and we hunt for the stocks that you be you give me the stock, I will actually look it for you, because we got a lot of question from you guys on YouTube, and a lot of requested stock, so I'm trying to shed the light about those questions. So bring your question and let's get ready to hunt. See you guys in the next update.